know, here. Oh, I think I'm gonna... Makarska, Tony. To hindi Makarska, to Trugir. Trugir, Tony Trugir. Shout out, dobrodošli na môj kanál. Pozdrav svima. Pozdrav svima. To je ovdje je Trugiro. To je Trugiro. Makarska bilo ima vatra. Prošlo dan. Jedan dan. So 104 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. Pozdrav svima. So time check, it's 8:30 now. It's the 8:30. 8:30. Oh, it's a lot of mosquito over. The mosquito attack me now. So I'm already prepared everything. One moment, guys. We need to prepare our banig. Here's my tata, my husband. Oh, it's mosquito. Big mosquito, guys, attack. The big mosquito is attacking on me now. So I'm afraid I need to clean up. So we always bring the mat. That's it. It's easy. So guys, I'm going to wash my hands. Ouch!
Da se ti neš, a on meni tražija u 2 sata tražija meni banka.
So guys, ito lang sinasabi ko sa inyo na may na aso na naglalaro. See, dito na mga aso. Dito na sila. And I'm afraid. Hala, may dala pa pang bata doon. So see, nakikita niyo may aso. So I'm very quick. I'm done. So it was here. So this is it. Pansit. And that's it. I'm done. It's just so quick. 29 minutes, guys. I'm just only 30 minutes to show the beautiful Croatia. Trugir especially. Because my battery is already 13%. They're done. So it's okay. We do not get rushed because it's so nice to stay outside. Fresh air. At home, we always turn on our aircon because it's too hot. So here you can breathe in, breathe out, natural, fresh air. So that's good thing when you're outside. So we wash our feet. Kaya nasudla na sa bato-bato. So guys, this is so nice when you play. Look, it's a therapeutic. Therapeutic, guys. The how do you say that? The sand, especially you have itchy feet. Itchy feet, you do like that. So it's very therapeutic, like natural. So especially if you have like fungus or foot fungi, so you can play. We can play and walk. It's very, it's so nice. Like that. And every time I go on beach, guys, so I barefoot, always barefoot. So I have a lot of scars on my feet. And look, I accidentally scratch because mosquito love me so much, so I scratch my skin. And that's, never mind, that's okay. So now I'm finished. So look, nahugaw na. Now become dirty because of me. We're gonna go other part. So okay, here. That's it. I'm finished. It's clean. This is what I like if it's sand or marble. Compared to the stone. Yes, marble is okay compared to the sand. Yes! Idi mo? Okay, di mo. Ay, di po much me. Guys, it's already 32 minutes. So, have a nice day. Blessings to all. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon all over the world. This has been Mel from Europe, Croatia.